Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Go ahead and click the subscribe button, guys. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Just want to show you a new package came in from Club Cash Fund. If you look there very close, it's September, what's that, the 29th? And I just checked my mail, okay? And it was there, okay? So I've received 5 envelopes. There's number 1, and I've numbered them. For some reason, that one didn't have a postmark date, but as you can see, they all have GPSC's address. These come directly from Club Cash Fund's company, okay? So we're at 5 payments that I've received, 5 different envelopes, okay, from this company, and I have not mailed out anything. All I do is direct people to my website. They request a free kit, and if they like what they see on the sales letter, they mail in their one-time $100. That's all it takes to get into this program, $100, and you make unlimited $20 commissions, okay? All right, and you make money from your team, okay? So this is a great program, a great get started mail order program without you actually having to do any mail, okay? No postage is required. Now, of course, if you want to mail, you can, but it's not required, okay? So again, this is working for me. If you want to get started with me, go ahead and click the link below to get your free kit, okay? And when you join me, I'm going to send you 100 leads, names, address, email, and phone number of people you can reach out to via text or email, okay? So that they can go to your Club Cash Fund link and request a free kit, okay? All right, guys, so go ahead and get started. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos. Club Cash Fund does work. See you guys on the inside. Have a blessed day.